It's a crisp morning and you're lacing up your shoes for a walk to the park, eager to feel the breeze and hear the birds. But halfway there, your legs start to ache, your knees feel stiff, and you're forced to sit on a bench watching others pass by. That was me a few years ago at 68, wondering why my legs weren't keeping up anymore. I blamed age, but then I learned the real culprit: sugar. Those daily cookies, sodas, and sweetened coffees I loved were quietly sabotaging my mobility. Today, I'm here to share that discovery with you because I know how much your legs mean to your life, carrying you to family dinners, garden strolls, or just across the room with confidence. Sugar might be sweet, but it's a silent enemy for seniors over 60, fueling leg pain, inflammation, and weakness. In this deep dive, we'll uncover why sugar is so harmful to your legs and explore delicious, leg-friendly foods to eat instead. This isn't about giving up joy, it's about choosing strength over sweetness. Drop a comment about your favorite sweet treat or how your legs feel, and let's connect. Subscribe and hit the bell for more tips every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday with Strong Seniors. Ready to take back your mobility? Let's dive in. Let's start with a truth that hit me hard. Sugar isn't just a treat. It's a troublemaker. For seniors, those sugary snacks we love can do more harm than we realize, especially to our legs. After 60, our bodies don't bounce back like they used to. Muscles weaken, joints stiffen, and blood flow slows, making every step a bit harder. Sugar pours fuel on that fire, triggering a cascade of problems that can steal your ability to move freely. Imagine your body as a garden. Sugar is like a weed, creeping in and choking the plants, your muscles, joints, and blood vessels. It sparks inflammation, a process where your immune system goes into overdrive, attacking healthy tissues. This inflammation stiffens your knees, swells your ankles, and weakens your muscles, making walking feel like wading through mud. It's not just a one-time thing. Day after day, those sugary bites add up, quietly eroding your leg strength. But it's not just inflammation. Sugar messes with your blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance, where your cells stop responding to insulin properly. This can pave the way for type 2 diabetes, which brings its own set of leg troubles, like nerve damage that causes tingling or pain. Even without diabetes, sugar can clog your arteries, slowing blood flow to your legs and leaving them tired and heavy. And if that's not enough, sugar packs on pounds, putting extra strain on your joints, making every step a challenge. I remember grabbing a candy bar during a busy day, thinking it'd give me a quick boost. By evening, my legs were throbbing, my ankles puffy, and I could barely make it to the kitchen. That's when I realized sugar wasn't my friend. It was holding me back. Let's break down exactly how it's hurting your legs so you can see the full picture. Let's walk through the specific ways sugar undermines your legs, because understanding the why can make all the difference. First, there's joint pain. Sugar fuels inflammation, which is like pouring sand into your joints, grinding away at the cartilage that cushions them. For seniors with arthritis, this can make mornings feel like a battle, with knees and hips that creak and ache. Then there's muscle weakness. Your legs rely on strong muscles to support your weight and keep you balanced, but sugar can sap that strength by triggering inflammation that damages muscle fibers. Over time, this contributes to sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that makes climbing stairs or standing up feel like a workout. Circulation is another casualty. Sugar can damage blood vessels, narrowing them and slowing blood flow to your legs. This leads to swelling, especially in your ankles and feet, as fluid pools in your tissues. It's why your shoes might feel tight by the end of the day, or why walking feels like dragging weights. In severe cases, poor circulation can lead to varicose veins or even peripheral artery disease, where leg pain strikes with every step. For some seniors, sugar's impact goes deeper, causing nerve damage or neuropathy. This is especially true for those with diabetes or prediabetes, where high blood sugar levels harm the nerves in your legs, leading to tingling, numbness, or sharp pain. I've heard from friends who describe it as walking on pins and needles, a sensation that steals the joy from even a short stroll. And let's not overlook restless leg syndrome, that frustrating urge to move your legs, often at night, accompanied by crawling or tingling feelings. Sugar can worsen these symptoms, disrupting your sleep and leaving you exhausted, which only makes your legs feel weaker the next day. Picture this. You're at a family picnic, enjoying a sugary soda and a slice of cake. By afternoon, your legs are swollen, your knees ache, and you're stuck on the sidelines while others play. That's sugar at work, quietly chipping away at your mobility. But here's the hope. You can stop that cycle and choose foods that heal instead. Now let's turn to the good news. You can nourish your legs with foods that fight inflammation, build muscle, and boost circulation. These aren't bland diet foods. They're delicious, senior-friendly choices that make every bite a step towards stronger legs. Let's meet your new allies. Start with berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants that calm inflammation, soothing your joints and easing stiffness. I love tossing a handful into my morning yogurt. Their sweet tart burst feels like a treat, but they're working hard to keep my legs limber. Next, consider fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which act like oil for your joints, reducing pain and improving flexibility. Omega-3s also support heart health, ensuring better blood flow to your legs. I bake a salmon fillet with lemon and herbs for dinner. It's simple, flavorful, and leaves my legs feeling lighter the next day. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, are another powerhouse. They're loaded with healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, which helps prevent muscle cramps. A small handful of almonds in the afternoon keeps me energized without the heaviness I used to feel from sugary snacks. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, or collards are your legs' best friends. They're high in magnesium, vitamin K, and antioxidants, supporting muscle function and bone health. I add spinach to my smoothies or salads. It's an easy way to pack in nutrients without feeling like I'm eating health food. Don't skip protein-rich foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or lean meats. Protein is crucial for rebuilding muscle, especially as we age and lose muscle mass. A couple of eggs with veggies for breakfast gives my legs the strength to tackle the day. For bone support, dairy or fortified plant milks provide calcium and vitamin D, keeping your leg bones strong. If dairy's not your thing, try fortified almond milk or canned sardines with bones. And for swelling, potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, or sweet potatoes help balance fluids in your body. I slice an orange for a mid-morning snack. It's refreshing and keeps my ankles from puffing up. Switching from sugar to these foods might sound daunting, but it's easier than you think. Start by checking labels. Sugars hide in everything from bread to sauces. Look for words like sucrose, fructose, or corn syrup, and choose products with no added sugars. Swap sugary snacks for whole fruits. Instead of a cookie, grab an apple with a smear of almond butter. It's sweet, satisfying, and won't inflame your joints. If you love desserts, try a small piece of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. It's lower in sugar and has antioxidants that support circulation. Plan your meals to include these leg-friendly foods. For breakfast, whip up a smoothie with spinach, berries, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds. For lunch, a salad with grilled chicken, avocado, and walnuts hits all the right notes. Dinner could be baked salmon with quinoa and steamed kale. Snacks: keep nuts, fruit, or hummus with veggies on hand. Stay hydrated. Water is your secret weapon. It flushes out excess sodium, reducing leg swelling. I keep a water bottle with a slice of lemon nearby. It makes drinking water feel like a treat. Aim for 8 glasses a day, more if you're active. If you're worried about cravings, retrain your taste buds. After a few weeks of cutting sugar, I found sweets tasted too intense, and fruit became my go-to. It's a shift, but your legs will thank you. Let me share a moment that changed everything for me. Last summer, I was at a family barbecue, reaching for my usual soda and cake. By evening, my legs were so swollen I could barely walk to my car. I felt defeated, like my body was letting me down. That's when I decided to cut sugar and focus on foods like berries and salmon. Within a month, my legs felt lighter, my knees less painful, and I could join my grandkids for a walk without stopping. It wasn't magic, it was a choice. And it's one you can make too. I know change isn't easy. If you're on a budget, buy frozen berries or bulk nuts. They're often cheaper and just as nutritious. For diabetes, stick to low-sugar fruits like berries and avoid honey. If chewing's tough, blend greens into smoothies or mash avocado for easier eating. Talk to your doctor about supplements like vitamin D or omega-3s if you're not getting enough from food. These tweaks make the journey doable no matter your situation. Your legs are more than muscles and bones. They're your freedom. They carry you to the places and people you love. Sugar might taste good, but it's stealing that freedom, one bite at a time. By choosing foods that nourish, you're writing a new chapter, one where you walk with confidence, stand with ease, and live with joy. Start small. Swap one sugary snack for a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit this week. Keep a journal to track how your legs feel. You might be surprised at the difference in just a few days. Share your plan in the comments. What's one food you'll try? Like, share, and subscribe for more tips every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday with Strong Seniors. Let's choose strength over sweetness and keep your legs moving in 2025. Thank you for being here. See you next time.